Failing to prepare is preparing us to fail. I know that meal prepping can be super overwhelming for some people, but sticking with the basics in the beginning is really the key to success. So here are my tips for keeping you on track and getting motivated. You're gonna pick a day of the week and you're gonna stick with that day for prepping. Try to do the grocery shopping the day before. Write down a list of your 3 favorite proteins, your 3 favorite vegetables, and your 3 favorite grains or fruit, and get shopping. They can be frozen, pre-prepared, pre-chopped, cooked, fresh, doesn't matter. Just depends on your preference and your time availability. You're gonna get a set of 3 compartment containers on Amazon. They're like $12, super cheap. You're gonna put your veggie in the largest section and your grains and your protein in the 2 smaller sections. Kitchen tools, get a crock pot, get a rice cooker, get muffin tins. These help you make large batches of food that you can eat throughout the week. And then lastly, enjoy the feeling of eating balanced whole food meals and remember it. Take it with you throughout the day. Be good to yourself. Any questions, leave them below. Good luck.